today I'm going to do a very short video. For the past 3 years I've been on a plant-based nutrition where I've taken off all the animal product, all the dairy product, and all the processed food. So I don't eat any of that. If you want to know why, you can check my other videos where I go into detail and explaining why. So before I went on a plant-based nutrition, my health was not very good. I was pre-diabetic, I had high blood pressure, severe headaches, chest pain, joint pain, abscesses, dandruff, and my weight was 100 kilos or 15.5 stone. But when I decided to go on a plant-based nutrition where you only eat fruit, vegetables, legumes, grains, nuts and seeds, and I was able to cure myself of all the diseases that I've mentioned. And today my weight is at 65 kilos or 10 stone. So I've lost 35 kilos of 5.5 stone. And usually people ask me what do I eat? And that's why I've done these very short videos where I've put some of the meals that I eat. But if you want to have more ideas or more stuff to know about eating, you can maybe buy a vegan recipe book where you will be able to have lots of recipes and stuff like that. So in the meantime, enjoy. Thank you.